Dear customers, today we are very proud to introduce our online platform PicConnect that brings Picanol's digital services to you. Over the years, Picanol's weaving machines have become increasingly smart, and as a result, they have generated a lot of data and information, and therefore a lot of potential value. Up till now, only a small amount of that value has been unleashed. That changes today. We at Picanol are proud to be driven by data, and as such, we want to help you to tackle the next industrial revolution. Our machines were already prepared for Industry 4.0, but now PicConnect will help you take full advantage of the data and the possibility of connecting your machines. And it's about more than just making the best use of data. It's also about changing the way you work with your machines and about giving you intuitive control over your weaving machines. PicConnect will enable you to react quickly to the changes in your weaving mill and have an immediate impact on your machines. It will change the way you interact with your machines, but also with Picanol. In short, PicConnect brings you the era of intuitive weaving. Frederik will tell you all you need to know about PicConnect.
Thank you, Johan. PicConnect adds an additional layer to working with your Picanol weaving machines. It is an online platform where you can access all our digital services. In PicConnect, you will be able to navigate between different applications. Each application allows you to monitor, interact and manage your machines and data. It serves as a powerful extension of your weaving capabilities. PicConnect is a web application. This means it can be accessed through a web browser on any device. You can use your smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, or the display of a machine. The platform is cloud-based. All the data that is used or generated by the platform is stored in the cloud. So with an active internet connection, you can use all of its functionalities, regardless of whether you are at the office, at the weaving mill, or working from home. Because it is cloud-based, you will always have access to the latest features and updates. We will continuously develop and improve the platform, but you don't need to worry about keeping your software up to date. To leverage the full extent of possibilities PicConnect offers, you can connect your machines to the platform. All Blue Box machines can be connected. When connected, machine data is sent over the internet to the platform and is used by the different applications in your own secure environment. Furthermore, the platform can also send data back to the machine. This bidirectional communication allows you to see what is happening in your weaving mill while being able to react swiftly to events and manage your operations. So, which applications are part of the first release of PicConnect? First, the production monitoring application allows you to see the live and historical performance of your weaving mill. Second, the energy monitoring feature keeps an eye on the air and power consumption of your machines. Third, in the style administration environment, you can manage your machine settings. And fourth, a new online webshop allows you to conveniently order original Picanol spare parts. The production monitoring application allows you to monitor the performance of your weaving mill. Here you can track the status of your machines. In real time, you can see which machines are running and which are stopped. As a result, you can quickly react to operational issues and increase overall efficiency. You can also monitor live other production data such as efficiency, speed, and different types of stops. In addition, you can monitor live the performance of different articles or different shifts. You can compare how the same article runs on different machines or how the same machine handles different articles. In PicConnect, you can build visual representations of your production floor in floor plans. You can track the status and the performance live of your machines. From here, you can direct your attention to those areas of the weaving mill where it is needed most. The cloud platform makes it possible to store all your historical data for the past weeks, months, or even years. With the different graphs and tables, you can analyze those scenarios you feel are worth exploring. Is this article running better on machine A than on machine B? Was last week's performance better than that of this week? And if so, why? PicConnect enables you to act upon your weaving instincts and provides the hard data to pinpoint exactly where the problem lies. If you would like to adhere to our principle of sustainability insight, it is essential to have a tool to understand and control your energy consumption. The energy monitoring application keeps an eye on the air and power consumption of your machines, provided that they are equipped with the right hardware or sensors. To help you reduce your energy costs, you can monitor the actual air consumption against warning levels. The historical data can be used to compare the energy consumption of your different machines. Or, alternatively, you can analyze how the energy consumption changes over time. For example, after an article change or a change in a machine setting. Gaining better insights into the actual air and power consumption will help you control the overall energy costs. The third major application that is part of the first release of PicConnect is the style administration. With this application, you can easily manage all your Picanol machine settings. Using the file management system, you can create a library of machine settings. Settings can easily be downloaded from a machine to the platform. Or you can upload settings from the platform to one or multiple machines. Ensuring all your machines use the optimal settings is very convenient. From the file management system, you can open settings and visualize them in the style administration app. Here you get an intuitive overview of the most important machine settings. You can then edit and change some of the machine settings to get the optimal setup for your machine or a specific article. An additional feature that is unique to PicConnect is the ability to compare settings of one machine with another. Or alternatively, you can compare the actual machine settings with a reference file. Just open two style files and the differences are highlighted. You can then copy settings from one file to another to build the optimal settings for a specific article or machine. After you have changed or copied settings from one file to another, just save the file to the file management system and you can start synchronizing all your machines with just a couple of clicks. As part of the PicConnect release, we are excited to announce that we are also launching a new online webshop for original Picanol spare parts called PartsLine. PartsLine is accessed through the PicConnect portal and offers a seamless online experience. While browsing the webshop, you can consult images, stock availability, and make price quotations for the required parts. You can create wish lists so that later on you can easily find back those items you are interested in. On your account dashboard, you can review price quotations, get an overview of your orders, or consult invoices. Everything is handled online whenever it suits you best. As PartsLine is a self-service environment, it is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. PartsLine offers the same ease of use that we have all become accustomed to when shopping online. These are the applications that will be part of the first release of PicConnect. While each of them can be used on a standalone basis, using them in combination will bring the most value. As we have shown you today, we at Picanol really want you to be able to enter into the era of intuitive weaving with a brand new platform and exciting applications. And rest assured, this is not an endpoint, but rather the start of a new story, a new Picanol platform. We will continuously develop new applications which will be periodically released, and they will take full advantage of the range of opportunities that unfolds by connecting your machines. We are looking forward to making that journey together with you. Thank you for your time.
Weaving, It's all about numbers, parameters, and settings. But as all good weavers know, there's more. There's also intuition. Sometimes you just feel it. You just feel something isn't right. You just feel settings should be fine-tuned. Picanol has always been known for maximum and smart performance. But on top of this, we now add something extra. Intuitive weaving. Intuitive weaving is an extra layer we add to our machines. In this new world, all your instincts and reflexes are amplified. You want to be in full control and change your whole setup in just one click. You want to change a setting? Check. On all your machines? Check. Feel a certain fabric needs extra care? Just look at the data and you'll know instantly. In this new Picanol world, you will still have all the performance and reliability. But now we can make room for your intuition and creativity as well. So you can run your weaving mill in your own unique, perfect balance. Welcome to the era of intuitive weaving, enabled by PicConnect. Picanol. Let's grow together.